I am Mistress Cox, and you're the butler. And the butler you will remain.
So guys, me call my man for how long I'm gonna get him. Normally me call my man I'm gonna get him in come back in less than 5 minutes. So I say alright then I'm gonna call me back. For the whole day I call me back. So I say no, this serious. So me make sure find more here. Him have 2 places, him have apartment and he have a house. I know say always the apartment. So I make sure find more go for the apartment and me knock on the door because I get my key yet. Me knock on the door and me hear somebody in the house. So I don't know who me hear in the house. So me knock on the door and somebody not answers that they must stop in the they must say shh. So me now go at the window. Oh my god, the window. I him that me see I put on condom. So me go like me in a disbelief like my man I put on condom. What am I gonna do? Then when I look, me see the girl in a position naked. So me not do nothing more than just fist out the window because me I said no, this serious. Yo, me fist out the window. The 2 of them run through the back door and gone through bush and everything. So me I say, like, for 7 years me and this man are talking, and me never search him for, me never do none of them something because me trust him enough. Me trust him with my life. And me I said the man really cheap. And one time I look through the window, I see the man I put on condom. Me I said, frig. Like I couldn't believe. Anyways, me and him not talk, and for a couple of days and him come and friend me up and want to talk to me. For show you how hurt me did feel. I not even did want to talk to him because I never know if me want in the relationship again. Because even though me talk about it, it hurt me. It hurt me to the core. Right now, it's pure I am by because by the time I need time to figure out what more I want to do, if more and continue, if more I forgive him. He must say it's a one-off thing and he never did go have sex. Him just did a try on the condom to see if the condom could have fit it. Like, you want to try on condom to see if condom can fit you? Like seriously, I want to catch man pan it. They say. I want to catch them at the wheat red hand if you catch them in the fire. Them tell a lie. Told them wicked. I say you could have see the man hand in the fire. And he say he never did that, put in hand never in the fire. How the hell you tell me say I go try on condom if condom can fit you? Eh? Yo, I think condom come like stacking. One size fit all. I never know say condom come in a medium, large and small. So some can fit some people and some can fit it. Like, I never know. But I get to talk to him. And me and him have the conversation. Right? We finally sit down and talk about the whole thing. You know what the man look at me and tell me say, sorry. You gonna look at me and tell me sorry? Let me tell you that sorry. God no, me tired of sorry. Because every single day is sorry, this sorry, that sorry for something else. How the freak you gonna do something and I tell me sorry? So me I talk to him and me I say, you know what the messed up part with me in your situation? You know what hurt me? You know what hurt me to the core? So you cheat on me. If he did cheat, you see the fact saying cheat on me with a girl from out the road and that bone me, you know. You see if he did cheat on me with your wife, it wouldn't hurt so much. Anyhow, if he cheat on me with your wife, me da feel better inside. Because me da say, alright, as somebody who me know already. As somebody who me know say you do already. So me da feel better if you did cheat on me with your wife. If you did give me bone with your wife, me da feel good. But for the fact say man give me bone with other people out the road now that hurt me to the core. God no, that hurt me to the core. It hurt me. I feel like me da fight. And me a girl with a fight. You understand me? Prove my points. Anyhow, when you cheat on me with my wife, girl would feel better inside. Girl would feel good. But just for no saying cheat on me with the girl out the road. I'm going to go to your wife. I'm going to tell your wife saying cheat on me. I'm going to tell your wife. And your wife must go see this. Yes. The man cheat on the two. We cheat on me and he cheat on you. So the two we can come together and go to the girl. Because me alone can't manage her.